The Wort chiller. The Wort chiller is equipped with a plate heat exchanger and is completely insulated to prevent heat loss. The beer is cooled by water running in a counterflow operation. The hot water thereby obtained is stored for the interim and the energy of the process is reused. The principle of a heat exchanger with counterflow processes is presented schematically here. An EMF, Promag H and temperature regulation is shown. The pressure sensors make it possible to determine the information of deposits known as fouling. Two pressure gauges can be seen at the inlet and outlet. One can determine with the difference on how far the fouling inside the heat exchanger has progressed and thus when it needs cleaning. The measurement can be easily automated. The acid product is produced in the lactic acid facility and can lower the pH of the mash and the wort. The current state before addition is measured with a Smartec CLD 132 conductivity meter. Heat exchangers are installed in order to ensure optimal temperature for the lactic acid fermenter. The lactic acid is fed with normal beer wort. The temperature measurement in the tank wall is installed right next to the sampling tap. A sample is taken and manually measured to see what remaining extracts contents are available to the fermenter and therefore when fresh wort needs to be added. The process can be automated, for example, with a density liquefant installation. Liquefant FTL50H are installed for pump protection. Promag H flow sensors ensure that the correct volume is dispensed to the brewhouse equipment. The fill levels in the lactic acid fermenters are measured with Delta Pilot DB50 hydrostatic pressure sensors. This is the central CIP facility for the brewhouse and the cold block area. The temperature and flow measurement serves to capture the actual media streams towards the facility. The CIP system is equipped with vessels for brine, liquor, acid, acidic batch water, alkaline and neutral reused rinse water, and can thus save all media on an intermediate basis and make it available for reuse. The Smartec CLD 132 measures phase shift as well as cleaning agent concentration using conductivity measurement in the CIP return streams from the brew house and cellars. The flow measurement uses the Promag H to ensure that the necessary flow rate is achieved. The fill level is measured with the Delta Pilot DB50 hydrostatic sensors in the CIP containers, in order to ensure that the equipment does not overflow or run empty for each vessel. Liquefant FTL50H is used. The fermentation cellar. For